Okay, so this video is going to show you how to upload a new episode, and this could be a sermon, a Bible study, or anything like that. So you see episodes, I click on that, and then I go to this upload button, and here it says upload video, but you can upload audio as well. So I can either drag and drop the file right into that section, or I can just go find it. And I created one right here, sermon audio. And it's actually just some piano playing, but you'll see that it's processing in the background right now. Once it's done, it'll allow us to play it. So some things I want you to notice here are, for instance, the dates, the date recorded, last time we modified it, how much the storage charge is for that, and then we have some details. So the main scripture, actually this will be different. It'll be main passage. We need to remove that. The main speaker, which it's going to be pulling from people that you've added into the people section, which I'll go through in a minute. The organization is whatever team you're logged in as, so this will just be your team. This will show you how many people have actually viewed the this episode. And then we also added series. We're going to be adding category and topics as well. That's what we have here. And then lastly, we have attachments. So I'm going to add a PDF. And so just to show you the drag and drop feature now, I'm going to go over here, grab this PDF, drag it there. And this is just test PDF. Upload. And you can see it pops up right there. You can also delete it. You just hit confirm. I'm going to hit cancel for now. And you can also download it later. When you come back here, you can hit this if you just want to download it straight from here. Your users are going to be able to see all of this. It's going to look different. It's going to be on your website. This is just the backend admin panel of Omnia. And they'll be able to download it, and you'll see that it'll be shown as a playlist on your website. So I'll show you that in a different video though. So you can see it finished processing. Right now it just shows as a video, but if I play it, it actually plays the audio behind it. But in the future we're going to change this so it looks more like an audio player when it detects that it is audio. For now they're just merged together, so it will play like this here. Again, on your website playlist it will look different and show this differently. But in order to edit all this information, by the way, forgot to say this, you click on this pencil icon and then it'll open up the edit screen. So you can choose whether it's published or not. And this just determines whether it shows up on your website for your users. You can add a thumbnail. So I'm just going to grab a placeholder image, drag it there. And then we can add series. So I went into the series section over on the left-hand side here. I'll show you that in a minute too. And I added some series. So I'm just going to add this to the Christmas series. So this could be, for instance, like a Bible study series, could be the Book of John, whatever. However you want to name it, these series are specific to your account. So main speaker, again, I added this already in the people section, but you can just choose who the main speaker was. And then these main passages are just text fields. So I'm just going to do John 3:16, and then other passages could be like James 4:11, and then maybe Romans, 6:10, whatever. And you just add them like that, enter, and you can add new ones. So that's basically it. That's how you add all the information. If you do want to add a description for your users to see, you can add all of that in here too, in this description field. So I'm just going to type description text here, just so we have it, and update. And there you go. You can see that it added all of that here. You can description text. Again, I'm going to remove this scripture because that's what this main passage is for. That's just a duplicate field. And yeah, this stuff you can ignore. This is mostly for us in the back end. And then attachments again. And then if you want to download the actual audio or video for this episode in the future, you can just click this download button and it'll do that for you. This danger zone here is if you want to move the episode to another account, or if you want to actually delete it. So those are dangerous things to do. So that's why it's in the danger zone. Also in the episode here, if you want to view this as a list, you can just click this little icon that I did here, and it'll show them as lists. So, or if you click back to this, it'll show it as a grid. So that's how it works. And you can see the thumbnail that I put in shows there as well. We also pull in the duration straight from the audio file, so you can see that there. Here you can see that it has an attachment. That's that one attachment that I added down here. Yeah, and this is the other view for that.